You want to what?
Eat it.
You want to eat her teething thing?
I want to eat the teething thing with her.
Okay, you can see how it tastes if you want.
Yeah. Good.
Does it taste good? Now let's see, Leah, do you like this ball that Grandma bought for you? Yeah, it's a good toy. Hey, get your finger. Did she try to kiss your nose?
Oi! Here, Pip. Here. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here. Here, got it. Look.
She does, she's got it. She's trying to eat it. She likes to, you know what babies like to do? Put everything in their mouth. Okay. We just wanted to show Grandma how great this toy is. Thank you, Grandma.